Today we have a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is When TikTok Lawyer Meets No Nonsense Cop.
Nope, I have my rights and I want a lawyer! No!
On June 26, 2025, officers initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle that was driving erratically and nearly collided head-on with their squad car.
Hey, you can roll the window down for me?
No.
Okay, well then you need to step out of the vehicle.
No, I don't.
Yes, this is a traffic stop.
For what? What crime?
For multiple different IVC violations. If you roll your window down so we can talk, I'm Officer McCall, Bloomington Police, I'm wearing a body camera. Okay, there's several reasons why I'm stopping you. Number one, you don't have a front license plate on your vehicle. Number two, you failed to signal 100 feet prior to your turn. Number three, when you turned off of Morris, right in front of my squad car. No, I don't have to repeat it for you on your camera, okay? I'm repeating it on my time. You can't even figure out your camera right now. You went over the middle line, okay? Give me your license and your insurance, please. 25, I'll take the return. She's refusing to get out of the vehicle and refusing to provide ID.
I have a right.
Give me your driver's
You
license.
don't need to tap.
Give me your driver's license or this window's gonna get busted in. That's what's gonna happen.
Would you just tell me what's gonna happen?
I said if you don't listen and give me your driver's license
You're gonna
and step out of the vehicle, the window's gonna get busted in. Absolutely. Pennsylvania v. Mims is a Supreme Court case that requires you to exit the vehicle when demanded, and I'm demanding it. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. You gonna give me your license?
My license.
No, give me your license. Okay, we're gonna play this difficult. All right, guys, she's refusing to get out of the vehicle and won't roll her window down, so we're gonna bust it. You gonna get out of the vehicle? Are you gonna get out of the vehicle?
Get her together.
Get out of the vehicle.
She ain't listening.
You're under arrest for obstructing. Get out of the vehicle. Are you gonna get out, or do you want your window busted? You're trying to make a big scene, and it's your fault for not exiting the vehicle.
With a car.
You're in a car, and you've made multiple IVC violations, and now you're not identifying yourself with a driver's license, and you're not providing insurance, and you're not stepping out of the vehicle.
I will give
Ma'am?
you my
Get out of the vehicle now. Ready?
nothing in my car.
Okay, get out of your vehicle.
I have no right.
This is your last warning. Get out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window.
You are bullying me.
Get out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window.
Get her together. Oh, get her together, boy. Act right. What you thought this was? Oh, you thought this was a game, huh?
Get out of the vehicle. Go ahead. Get out of the vehicle.
That is in my eye.
Get out of the vehicle. I warned you when I was...
You don't
I
know
warned
me.
you. Get out of the vehicle.
Take your drunk ass to jail, man. What you thought this was?
Are you surprised at what happened? I warned you when I was going to break the window.
You're a bully.
I warned you when the window was going to break, and I told you what would happen if you didn't get out of the vehicle. You've been told everything that was going to happen from the very beginning. No, no, no. You are on a traffic stop. You are required to give your driver's license. You are required to give your driver's license. Do you understand that? You are.
No, I'm not.
You haven't even identified yourself.
What you're doing is illegal.
Okay.
I have nothing on me. I haven't done anything wrong.
And then stand up.
What the
Okay. And go ahead and step back here. You are under arrest.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Go ahead and stand right here. I'm going to check your pockets.
Listen, the cop was in fear for his life. He was in fear for his safety. He didn't know what you was trying to hide. You didn't want to roll down the window. I was in fear for my safety. I don't know what she was trying to hide. She was fidgeting around. Listen, I'm telling you, that's how that paperwork go, boy. Because, you know, just to step out the car, no, just because the officer say step out, that's not necessarily it. They got to be like, you know, a something with safety or something, you know what I'm saying? They in fear. So I'm telling you, that's how that paperwork go. Yeah, she didn't want to give me the ID. Oh, since she don't want to do that, okay, boom. Well, I was in fear for my safety. I asked her to step out. Yeah, that paperwork, she gonna get that paperwork back. It's gonna be like, wait, hold on, what? But no, in all seriousness, she's drunk. She's definitely under the influence of something. You can see in her eyes and everything. And you know, like, yeah, do you have to roll down the window? No, but like, not rolling down the window, is that like working in your favor? Probably not. Like, so it's just, I don't know. Whenever I get pulled over, my windows is down. By the time they even pull up on me, it already got the license, registration, insurance. Here you go. Boop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's real smooth, real easy. And I'm out of there. You know what I'm saying? Whether you're going to give me a ticket or not, you know, whatever. But it's a smooth transaction. All of this is unnecessary.
I don't have pockets.
You do. Why are your pants not even... Get back here. Where are you going? You are in custody. You are under arrest.
For what crime?
For obstructing, at the
Why
very
did I
least.
obstruct?
And probably DUI.
Get your hands off
And now
me.
resisting. You're adding charges. Knock
No,
it off.
I'm not. Get your hands off
You're
me.
absolutely adding charges.
Get your hands off
No,
me.
you're in custody. That's not how this works. You couldn't listen to simple commands earlier, and now here we are.
I got a fucking goddamn constitutional right.
Stop.
And what you're doing is unconstitutional. Because I should submit to a man, right?
I don't care if it's a guy or a girl, officer telling me what to do. You need to listen.
You didn't have to pull in my car like that and bust my window out.
Ma'am, how many opportunities did you want me to give you? Are you a toddler? Do you want me to count to 3? I told you like,
Did
what,
you
12
just-
times? How many times did I tell you what was going to happen? Was it a
Am I
surprise
a
to you?
toddler?
Yes, you can't listen to simple instructions.
How many times did your mommy hurt you?
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight? 1,
After
2,
you busted out
4,
my
5.
window and drug me out
8,
my
9,
car
10.
and threw me on the fucking ground?
Yes, because
What
I can
he's
smell it coming off
asking
your
is
breath.
how many alcoholic beverages have you consumed tonight?
After you drug me out of my car and busted out my window?
No,
I'm pretty
before
sure
that.
that's illegal.
Before
that.
I'm pretty sure that's illegal.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Before that. Do you have any eye problems or abnormalities? Any eye
Yeah.
problems or abnormalities? Okay.
Yeah, with people who have fucking power issues.
Okay.
I don't think she's willing to do field sobriety tests.
Really?
Fuck you!
Okay.
You're taking away all of my rights!
Okay, you're in custody right now.
You're taking away my rights!
Stop.
To call somebody! I have a
That's not
fucking
the
bully
case.
me!
Stop.
Bully me!
Nobody's trying to bully you. You
Yes,
keep walking
you
away
are.
and telling us what we're going to do. That's not how this works.
Stop groping
Stop.
me!
Nobody's groping
Get your
you.
fucking
I'm
hands
holding
off
you
me!
by your bicep.
You don't have a
Okay?
right!
You
trying
are
to walk in
under
the street.
arrest and you keep resisting and
What
walking
am
away.
I under arrest for?
Number 1, resisting. Number 2, obstructing. Okay? And you've got a slew of traffic charges on top of that.
No, I don't.
You do.
Where?
Citations. I'm going to write
Show
them here
me.
in a minute.
Show me.
I will show you every single one as
Oh,
soon as
you
I
wanna
write
write 'em
okay?
now?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
You want to write them now? I have nothing. You have pulled me over illegally. Get off of me.
Turn around.
Get your
Keep
fucking
taking
hands
pictures.
off of
No, because
me.
every time I let go of you, you just try walking away.
Get your hands off of me.
Stop.
You can bully me some more. You pieces of shit. I didn't think you guys were that bad.
All you have to do is get out of the vehicle. Why are you making it so difficult?
I didn't have to get out of the vehicle.
You did.
I have a right. It's called a constitutional right.
Okay, what right do you think you have that means that you can disobey a police officer on a traffic stop?
You
Where's
are
your
a
right?
peace officer, sir.
Yeah.
You are not a goddamn constitutional right. I didn't do anything wrong. I was traveling.
Okay, and immediately when I walk up there, you won't roll your window down and you won't
I
give me your
don't
ID.
have to comply to you.
That's fine, but then I can tell you to get out of the vehicle.
Yeah, but you didn't have to bust my window open either.
I did, because
and
you
then
wouldn't get
throw
out.
me on the ground.
And you wouldn't ID yourself.
I don't have to
required to
do
do both
that.
of those
That is
things.
a constitutional right,
All right.
motherfucker.
I'm going to let you know your rights, okay? You have the right to
your
remain
rights
silent.
Are you need to get the out of my face.
Listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to talk
There's
to me.
nothing in my
Anything
car.
that you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law
Oh
or other
my
proceedings.
God.
You have the right to talk to an attorney before I ask you any questions, and I have them with you during questioning.
But you won't let
if
me
you
call
can't afford
anybody.
to hire an
But you
attorney,
won't let me
one
call
will be
anybody
appointed to
'cause
represent
you
you
took my
before any
phone.
questioning if you
Because
wish.
you took my phone.
You can decide at
You
any time
took
to exercise
my
these rights
phone.
or not make any statements. Do
Yeah,
you
you busted
understand
a
your
window
rights?
open in my eye. And
Do you
saw
understand your
it.
rights?
Nope.
What part of that
No.
do you not understand?
I understand that you violated the shit out of my rights.
Okay, do you understand you violated your rights? Is that what
No.
you're telling me?
Nope, I do not understand my rights.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
Okay. Okay, so you're fine then? You're denying any medical treatment?
No, I want medical treatment.
Well,
I
that's what
also
I'm
want psychological treatment.
What for?
For you. Get out of my face. Shove that fucking light in my face again. You pulled in my car and busted my window open.
All right, Deanna, I feel like you're under the influence of alcohol, so I'd like to do some field sobriety tests to make sure that you're safe to drive. Are you willing to do those tests?
I am willing to fucking have you leave me the alone.
Okay, well, unfortunately, that's not an option.
Harassed like this.
Okay, so what do you think should have happened? You said, oh, I don't want to identify myself, and we should have just said, okay, have a nice day.
I don't have a right to. I don't have to identify myself.
Why do you think
this ad is presented by yours truly? I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
I have to, because it's called the Constitution.
Okay, well, you almost hit my squad car. You don't have a front license plate. You were weaving back and forth in your lane, and you failed to signal 100 feet prior to your turn.
So those are all the my window busted.
No, I didn't want to do that.
Like
I didn't want to do that. That's why I kept asking you to get out of the vehicle, but you wouldn't. What am I supposed to do? Your level of cooperation is going to impact how quickly you get to leave.
I'm telling you that everybody can leave right now. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Why would you fucking bust my window open? I'm sorry, you have a mommy wound. I want a lawyer.
These are Bloomington paramedics. They're going to take a look at you real quick.
They busted the fucking window open. This is bullshit.
Oh, man.
Get off of me. You know, I have a right to tell you to get your hands off of me. No, I don't have a misunderstanding if you let me the go and leave me alone.
All right, so we are going to go to
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. You guys over dramatically obtained. Can you let me out of the car so I can go inside and continue to holler this?
No, we're not going inside. I've got some paperwork to read to you.
That sounds like a personal problem to me. You're gonna let me the out of this car.
It says subsequent to an offense for driving.
Why would you do this to somebody who has no offenses?
Just because you don't have any criminal history doesn't mean that you get to get off scot-free if you break the law. You're driving intoxicated and you resisted.
You broke the law when you broke my window. You broke the law.
No, I broke a window. I didn't break the law. I'm going to read this. I'm not asking you.
I'm not at the jail. Get me out of here.
I'm going to read this.
No! No! There is glass in my ass! There really is. Let me pull over and read you something and not take you to the jail. Nope! I have my rights and I want a law.
Just read it over her screaming. I know it's annoying or whatever, you know, trying to read something when someone is talking, but you just gotta read it for the camera. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just, you gotta, yada, 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 yada. All right. The same thing with the Miranda rights. Just like she kept saying stuff while he reading, just talk over her. That's it. So that way you can prove to the camera that, you know, you did everything. Everything is good. That's it.
No! I don't give a f. You busted a window and you violated the shit out of me. I want a lawyer!
Are you going to provide a breath sample?
No, sir.
Will you whip that up and do a refusal for me?
Yeah, we're gonna just lock her up because she does a refusal after you just harassed me, busted out my window, and threw me out my car. No, don't worry. Y'all about to have a lawsuit on your ass.
They all say that you about to have a lawsuit. No, your license is suspended for a year and have fun in court because DUIs and all that stuff. Them things be costing like $10,000 to get up out those jams. Those are expensive jams to get out of.
I would like for the older gentleman to take me to go and urinate. And I'm not hitting on him. It's because he probably has more respect than you young bucks.
Am I the older gentleman? You are.
I think you are, Sarge.
I'm going to explain something to you before I get out of here, okay? You got to write your tickets, you got to arrest you.
No.
Yeah, he does. There's no changing it, okay? The choice that you have right now is to provide him with a breath sample and face a 6-month suspension on your license, or if you refuse to do that, then it's going to be, you're going to be facing 12 months, okay?
But then you guys won't fucking take a beater and abuse her to fucking prison or jail?
The woman was booked on multiple charges, including DUI, improper lane usage, no front registration, failure to signal within 100 feet of a turn, failure to display a driver's license, and resisting a peace officer. A court date was issued.
Some of this stuff, man, these people, man, they bring it upon themselves. You know, when you drunk and you know, you're not in your right frame of mind, like, yeah, we all got rights and stuff, but you need, like, I feel like when you drunk and under the influence and you actually caught, you need to be paying close attention, using every brain cell that you have left, okay? Every willpower in your body to be like laser focused on what this officer is saying. You know what I'm saying? Because there are people that drink and get pulled over by the cops and don't get in trouble. Why? Because they are using every brain cell that they have left to focus and lock in and appear as normal as can be. Not saying it's right, but that's the reality of the situation. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't appear drunk, you pretty much, you good. And if you didn't drink a crazy amount to where it's just like coming out your pores, you good. You good. But her, on the other hand, it's over with. But anyway, I think the officer did pretty good, man. No nonsense, man. I give him 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.